How to reset the Instagram Explorer page. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. Click on your profile on bottom right corner of your screen. Then simply click on three lines on top right corner of your screen. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply scroll down and then click on your activity. In here, make sure there is no any interested videos, or simply go to post. Go back again and then go to interested option and make sure there's no interested. If you have clicked interested in any videos, that kind of video is gonna show. Also delete your search by clicking on recent search and you're good to go. This is how to reset the Instagram Explorer page. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. For more, got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.